The 2025 Acura MDX continues to be a standout in the luxury midsize SUV segment, blending performance, practicality, and premium features into a compelling package. As Acura's flagship SUV, it upholds the brand's reputation for delivering value-oriented luxury while enhancing its appeal through refined styling, a tech-rich interior, and an engaging driving experience. The 2025 iteration carries forward the significant improvements made in the recent redesign while adding subtle enhancements that make it even more competitive. At a glance, the 2025 MDX sports a sophisticated exterior design characterized by Acura's signature diamond pentagon grille, sharp LED headlights, and sleek body lines that communicate a sense of motion even when stationary. The overall look is both athletic and upscale, striking a balance that appeals to a broad audience. Updates for this year include minor tweaks to the front fascia and new wheel designs, giving the SUV a fresher appearance without altering its established identity. Under the hood, the standard MDX continues to feature a 3.5-liter V6 engine producing 290 horsepower and 267 pound-feet of torque, paired with a smooth 10-speed automatic transmission. This powertrain provides ample thrust for most driving situations and delivers a refined, quiet ride. Acura's super handling all-wheel drive (SHAWD) system is available and enhances traction and cornering capabilities, especially in inclement weather or during spirited driving. For buyers seeking more excitement, the MDX Type S offers a 3.0-liter turbocharged V6 engine generating 355 horsepower and 354 pound-feet of torque. The Type S transforms the MDX into a performance-oriented SUV with stronger acceleration, sharper handling, and an adaptive air suspension system that adjusts to road conditions and driver input. It also includes Brembo front brakes and sportier design elements, setting it apart from the standard trims. Inside, the 2025 MDX boasts a luxurious and well-appointed cabin with high-quality materials, attention to detail, and an ergonomic layout. The dashboard design is modern and driver-focused, with a wide center console and a clean, horizontal aesthetic. Acura continues to use real wood trim, aluminum accents, and available Milano leather upholstery to elevate the cabin's ambiance. Even in base models, the MDX feels premium. Technology remains a strong point for the MDX. All trims come equipped with a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a matching 12.3-inch infotainment display. Acura's true touchpad interface controls the infotainment system, which, while not as intuitive as some rivals' touchscreens, becomes easier to use with practice. Standard features include wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, Amazon Alexa integration, navigation, and a premium audio system. Seating comfort and versatility are also highlights. The MDX seats up to 7 passengers across 3 rows, with ample space in the first 2 rows for adults. The second row slides and reclines for added comfort, while the third row is best suited for children or shorter trips. Cargo capacity is generous, with up to 71.4 cubic feet of space available with the rear seats folded, and underfloor storage adds extra practicality. Ride quality in the standard MDX is smooth and composed, with a suspension setup that balances comfort and control. The vehicle soaks up road imperfections well and remains composed through corners. The Type S, while firmer due to its sportier suspension, still offers a comfortable ride and the ability to customize driving dynamics through selectable drive modes. Acura's suite of safety technologies, known as AcuraWatch, is standard across the lineup. It includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, and automatic emergency braking. The MDX consistently receives high marks in crash testing, making it a reassuring choice for families. Additional features such as a surround view camera and front and rear parking sensors further enhance safety and convenience. Fuel economy for the standard front-wheel drive MDX is rated at around 19 mpg city and 26 mpg highway, with all-wheel drive models seeing a slight reduction. The Type S, with its more powerful engine, returns 17 mpg city and 21 mpg highway. While not class-leading, these figures are competitive given the MDX's performance and size. One of the MDX's strongest attributes is its value proposition. While many luxury SUVs command significantly higher prices for similar features, Acura positions the MDX as a more attainable luxury vehicle without sacrificing quality or desirability. The base model is well equipped, and higher trims add genuine luxury features without pushing into exorbitant pricing territory. In terms of driving engagement, the MDX stands out among its peers. Acura's heritage in precision driving and motorsports shines through in the SUV's steering feel, chassis tuning, and overall dynamics. While it may not match the performance of more expensive European rivals, the MDX offers a satisfying blend of comfort and agility. Another noteworthy improvement is in noise insulation. Acura has worked to reduce wind and road noise, making the cabin quieter and more serene. This effort, combined with the high-quality materials and comfortable seats, results in a pleasant environment for both short commutes and long road trips. Owners of previous generation MDXs will appreciate the technological and refinement upgrades in the 2025 model. For new buyers, the MDX represents a well-rounded choice that excels in many areas without significant weaknesses. It's a vehicle that feels carefully engineered to meet the needs of modern families who want performance, safety, and sophistication. Overall, the 2025 Acura MDX continues to impress as a versatile, luxurious, and engaging SUV. It builds on the strengths of its predecessor while making subtle